Hello, I am Sanjeev Sajdev, Managing Director at Aurotoshi. At Aurotoshi, we take pride in being a Make in India OEM, delivering world-class solutions in the transit and access control space. Currently, we operate from 3 fully functional manufacturing units, from where we are successfully exporting our AFC and TVM solutions globally. A true reflection of our commitment to innovation and quality. I am excited to share that we are expanding further with 2 new state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities very soon by the end of 2025-26. The first is located in Sector 10 Noida, specifically Yida, and is spread across 5 acres and will focus on core electronic component manufacturing. This will also include high-end electronic like GCU, gate control units, and critical control units, ensuring complete in-house capability means all the hardware and software and electronic components will be done indigenously. Our second upcoming plant is near Aligarh, the place called Khemai, and that will specialize in manufacturing and designing of advanced solutions for key industries like data centers and airports. We have already deployed some of India's most secure entry solutions at top-tier facilities such as RBI, WebWorks and Anantraj. This expansion is a step forward in our mission to build high-tech, secure and scalable infrastructure designed, developed and manufactured in India but made for the world. Stay connected with us at www.aurotoshi.com